Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your LG G5. I'm going to be showing you how to do both methods of the factory reset, the soft reset and the hard reset. The soft reset going through the software if you can get into your phone through the settings, and the hard reset with the buttons in case you can't get into the phone because it's not booting up correctly or it has a password and you can't get into it. By doing the hard reset, you'll be able to start using the phone again. Alright, so first off, let me show you how to do it through these settings. So we're going to scroll to the settings. Here it is. And we're going to scroll down to where it says backup and reset right here. Then we're going to scroll down to factory data reset. Okay, select that. Then you're going to hit reset phone. And then you're going to select delete all. Now once you do, everything on the phone is going to be deleted and erased back to its factory condition. So make sure you boot up, make sure that you save, back up anything that you want to keep, because this is going to erase everything on the device. Alright, let's go ahead and show you now how to do the hard factory reset. I'm going to power the phone off. Alright, so once the phone is powered completely off, the way to do it is you're going to hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until the phone boots up. You're going to keep holding both buttons. And it's going to bring you to this menu, System Recovery menu. Once it does, you let go. Alright, then here we're going to scroll down with the volume button to Factory Data Reset. You're going to select with the power button. Then you're going to scroll down to Yes and select with the power button again. Okay, and once you select yes, the phone is going to be erased back to its factory condition. Alright, so it looks like it's doing something with the apps. It says Android is starting, optimizing app, 6 out of 24. Okay, so I guess we're going to wait till it gets to 24. Okay, so the app data optimizing was finished. So now it says finishing boot. Alright, so looks like the hard reset was complete. As you can see, the phone was reset back to its factory condition. Here we can go through all the setup of the phone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.